Hi, I'm doing a Pocket Raspberry Pi Arduino programming station on Hackaday, and I just wanted to demonstrate how you can connect hardware attached keyboard to your Raspberry Pi and how you can connect it and use with your mobile phone, which is working as a remote desktop for Raspberry. So here's my setup. I have Raspberry Pi plugged into the power adapter. I have a keyboard connected via USB, and I have my phone connected via USB as well. So first, when you connect your phone to your Raspberry Pi for this setup, you just need to make sure that this thing, which is called USB modem, just let me focus so you can see. Okay, so you need to make sure that this thing, which is an advanced network settings, in the modem settings, you need to make sure that USB modem is enabled. It's in Russian, but it's actually a USB modem for Android device. So after that, your Raspberry will automatically create a USB network adapter and assign an IP address, most likely via DHCP from your phone. Well, right now I am configured it to assign a static IP address, but current guides, they do not work very well for modern Raspberries, so you have to modify some other files. But even if you connected your Raspberry to your phone just like that, just without any additional configuration, you can still understand and which IP address is assigned to your Raspberry. You just need to install some terminal emulation on your Android device. Just let me launch it, and you then will use ARP command like that. Let me refocus a little bit again so you can see. Okay, so you can see that I executed ARP command. It's shown my Wi-Fi access point MAC address, and this one MAC address, which is on RNDIS adapter, and RNDIS for Android device, that's actually a network USB network adapter. And you can see that I have 42 subnet with 42 IP address assigned to my Raspberry Pi. So, and after that you just can go pretty much to anything which is connecting to a network device like SSH. I have here SSH terminal, or I have also VNC terminal. So let's connect via VNC. I already have a pre-configured VNC session to 42 address. Okay, here we go. So I'll move it like that, and I need to see a status bar. Okay, can you see it? Okay, so my phone right now is working as a monitor for my Raspberry Pi. So now let's get to a hardware keyboard, because you can obviously pull up a touch keyboard and it will work, but it's a little bit clunky and maybe not very convenient for programming. So I decided to try the hardware connected one. Okay, I'm doing it like that. Let me refocus. So you can see that my hardware keyboard connected via USB, and actually it is now working. I can type something. Let's type Hackaday, and you can see that it actually works here. Let me refocus. Yeah, you can see that it works. can type something in. I can erase, and it works. Let me go to status bar so you can see. Now we will do even this thing. I already installed an Arduino environment, Arduino programming environment on this thing. So let me just, using Windows, I can go to my electronics and start a Arduino IDE. Let's wait a little. Let Raspberry do its work. Okay, now you can see it's Arduino application, and you can write your code here with just your keyboard directly attached to your Raspberry. So next step, as you probably know, next step would be to put a hardware keyboard right on top of this thing. So right now it's connected via USB, but you can actually do a head for your Raspberry with keyboard attached to it. It's going to be a pocket keyboard, quite small, but I believe you will still be able to use it to program anything connected to your Raspberry. In case of Raspberry Pi Zero, actually it's going to be very small, something like that, and you can take it with you. It's going to be very pocket, and you can just put it in your pocket and go with it anywhere. Yeah, and it's always be in your it's always available for use whatever you need, and you just need to plug your phone, which is obviously also always in your pocket. So this is it. You can ask questions in comments if you would like, and next thing for me would be actually to try and do a proof of concept for such a keyboard, hardware attached keyboard. I have some shift registers, I have some buttons, just need to connect this to GPIO of Raspberry Pi and see how it works, and also test how it will going to work in terms of uploading your Arduino code to your Arduino device connected directly to Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching. Bye.